It's another natural dentin with the enamel, and then patient is extremely dehydrated texture. So I sandblast this outside. So I tried the 3 different colors from the stone cobalt. See? So what kind of color they're looking for? Down. Either I can do this or I can put the open half. I can mix a little to low value. Guys, mixed together with 2 color, cobalt and smoke, and a really high value. Right? Well, first I can apply the what look like the Seisha, which is the high value. So I create it. So okay, you can file this. They will see. So I just noticed it why color is not matching it. This is really extremely a different color. So I have to make some different value with I use this coal lotus. That's the first. Instead of put the translucent smoke, I have to utilize this one first and decrease the value. Make different value. It's not decreasing. And also in between the tools has the line, different color. So either I make this, or I can use the smoke color. think let's bake first, then we can see what's the color differences. It's another natural dentin with the enamel, and then patient is extremely dehydrated teeth texture. So I sandblast this outside, but when she put the saliva, and then she can get some good. Can you put some saliva? Thank you. Open. You see the sign shiny back, just like everything. Check the bite. That's not what I care. All right, cool. I really like your natural teeth's color is different. My crown actually looks good too. Like I said, it's already dehydrated. The other side, let me see. Here's I sandblasted. Yeah, that one is bite. That's cool. Alright, now this is final with a lack of room to facial. Let me try with a dehydration effect. Like this. Okay, bite. Put some saliva. Nice. Alright, open.
No.
Cool.